Now we give it a beautiful shape.
So actually now the last step is to fit the sun into the moon and to smooth it down.
So now it's fitting perfectly. And now we grind it down with the sandpaper. So you see the structure before. It gets like the typical silver shine. So now the sun's turning. So now we created like for the hooks, for the moon, and the hooks for the sun. So now we heat the hooks up that we can form them. So we're gonna make a ring with that, and then we put the hook in the ring. Okay? For the ring, okay. And now, how we make the rings? You just like bend it over this thing, and then when you cut them, you get the ring. So now we have to press it flat. Now we make it round. And now we take a silver joining metal. We combine the hook to the bracelet. Yeah. So we add now a liquid that the metal melts easier. We put some water in there.
Yeah.
Then we put here the moon and the hook, and we will add this.
Yeah.
This small piece we cut off, and then we will melt it together. Now the final step is like heating it up, and you will see it melting. Oh, now it starts melting. Yes. And now it's connected.
Yes.
A red moon.
Yeah, red one.
So now we create a hook.
Yeah.
Just bend it over like one metal.
Iron string.
Yes. Perfect. So now we make the housing for the stone. So you just hold it a bit.
Yeah.
And then you bend it slowly. It's too big.
Yeah, like this. Good.
Yes. Okay, now we take this small piece you see there in front of my finger, which looks like dirt, and a feather, a chicken feather or something like this.
Yeah.
We combine this metal piece. Okay, and now we heat it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, done. Wow, fast. And now the aim is to make this circle round. You just have to hit it really softly, so otherwise it will break. Now we try to fit the stone in. Perfect.
Now he exciting to connect stone house piece. Yeah.
And now we are melting the ring on the sun. Melt. Huh. Perfect. We make the second one.
We have to turn off light
Yes.
to see.
It's getting red. And the ant is living risky.
Yeah.
A bit more. And melt it. Just bend it. And the rest you do with the... So, let's see if I break it.
Yes.
Now we have to connect it again. Now we press it together.